Spring is just around the corner. Don't let February hold you back. Dive into spring by sowing seeds now. If you're in zone 7 like me, I'll show you what you can grow in February using 3 different techniques. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. I'm sharing 3 different ways that you can get a head start on your spring 2025 garden. Sow seeds indoors in soil. Don't forget the grow lights. They help your plants to grow strong. Another way to get a head start in your spring garden is to grow hydroponically in water. I just recently started growing this way and I'm loving it. Last but not least, winter sowing is a technique where seeds are planted in containers and left outdoors over the winter, allowing them to germinate naturally in the spring when the weather warms up. We welcome you to join us. Join the ELOC Nation. Hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on new content. What to plant now in February Zone 7. From juicy heirlooms to tangy cherry varieties. Tomatoes are a must-have in my garden. Start your tomatoes indoors, either in soil or hydroponically, or you can use the winter sowing method like I did. Vibrant peppers are a great addition to omelets. Because peppers can take a long time to germinate and grow, starting them in February is crucial to getting an earlier harvest. I have peppers outdoors in milk jugs using the winter sowing method. Ground cherries is a new plant that I will be growing for the first time this year. I've seen so many others in the gardening community grow it. I'm excited to see this one grow. Asparagus is probably one of my top 5 favorite vegetables to eat. It's a perennial that comes back year after year. Lovage, I grew it last year. If you're a celery lover, you'll love lovage. Eggplant is a common summer crop. Eggplants come in many different sizes, shapes, and colors. Kale is highly nutritious, chock full of antioxidants, supports eye and bone health. Swiss chard can grow year-round in Zone 7 and in warmer climates. It also survives mild winters. There you have it, 8 crops you can absolutely sow now in February in Zone 7. Just to wrap things up, just because it's cold outside right now doesn't mean it's too early to get started on your spring garden. Taking action now will lead to a successful garden later. Let's get inspired and grow together. Which fruits, veggies, and herbs are you excited about growing this year? The next time you eat a banana, save the peel. Did you know you can make banana fertilizer? The nutrients that come from banana peels are beneficial for plant growth, supporting strong stems, root development, and fruit. These plants have been growing since December the 15th. I've already harvested once, getting ready to harvest for a second time. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.